might slide up to your block with intelligence. I'm a genius with a Glock, there's some relevance. Took his chain, took his rocks, took his sediments. There's no cap inside my speech, no impediments. Putting numbers on the board, I use my calculator. Put a op below the floor, he's a denominator. E equals MC squared. You didn't notice that? Had the shot, but he's too scared. Why didn't he bust it back? Thinking first and not react, subtracting ops is simple math. Hit him with these different subjects, I'm holding a different class. My equations never lie, not debating, don't you try. Hit him with 3, 1, and 4, I ain't talking pi. Not a problem, he was talking, showing too much pride. And that's a downward slope, that boy ran didn't rise. X amount